Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Google Vids. Let's get started. First, open Google and type Vids, new in the address bar, then press enter. This will automatically open a new Google Vids project. When the project opens, take a moment to look around the interface. Understanding the layout will make editing much easier. In the top left corner of the screen, you'll see the menu bar. This area contains different options that help you manage and edit your scenes. On the right side of the screen, you'll find a panel that allows you to insert videos, images, audio files, stickers, GIFs, and other media into your project. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the timeline. The timeline is where you can control the order of your scenes and adjust how long each scene appears in the final video. In the center of the screen is the main canvas. This is the area where you'll build and preview your video content. Now, let's start creating our project. First, click on the project title in the top left corner. By default, it may say Untitled Project or something similar. Rename it to a name that matches your project. For this example, I'm naming it London. After renaming the project, move to the right side panel and click on the Stock and Web option. This section provides access to a large collection of stock videos, stock images, stickers, sound effects, GIFs, and Google Images. At the top of this panel, you'll see a search bar. Use it to search for content related to your topic. I'm going to type London and press enter. Google Vids will now display many videos, images, and other media related to London. You can scroll through the results and explore different options until you find something you like. If you want to preview a video before using it, click the eye icon on the corner of the video thumbnail. This allows you to watch the clip and decide whether it fits your project. Once you've found a suitable video, click the Insert button. The video will immediately appear in your scene. After inserting the video, you can click and drag it to reposition it on the canvas. You can also resize it by dragging the corners of the video frame. Take a few moments to adjust the video so that it looks exactly how you want. Now let's add some text. Go to the right side panel and click on the text option. Choose a text style and insert it into your scene. Click inside the text box and type your title. For example, you could type Welcome to London. After adding the text, use the toolbar at the top of the screen to customize it. You can make the text bold, change the font size, adjust the alignment, and apply other formatting options. Feel free to experiment with different settings until you're happy with the appearance. Next, let's adjust the scene duration. Go down to the timeline and click on the edge of the scene. Drag it left or right to decrease or increase the duration. This allows you to control exactly how long viewers will see each scene. Now let's create another scene. Click the plus button in the menu bar. A new blank scene will be added to your project. Just like before, you can add videos, images, stickers, GIFs, and text to this scene. Search for more content related to your topic and insert it into the scene. You can continue creating as many scenes as you want using this process. To make your video more engaging, let's add animations. Right-click on a text element and select the animation option. You'll see different animation styles available. Choose any animation you like and apply it to the text. You can repeat the same process for other text elements throughout your project. Animations help make your video look more professional and visually appealing. Now let's add transitions between scenes. Look between two scenes in the timeline and click on the transition button. You'll see various transition effects available. Choose one that matches the style of your video. Transitions help scenes flow smoothly from one to another and improve the viewing experience. After adding transitions, review your timeline and make sure all scenes are arranged in the correct order. You can drag scenes to different positions if needed. You can also adjust the duration of each scene to improve the pacing of your video. Once everything is ready, click the play button in the top right corner of the screen. Watch the preview carefully and check that all videos, images, text, animations, and transitions appear correctly. If you notice anything that needs improvement, make the necessary edits and preview the video again. When you're satisfied with the final result, your Google Vids project is ready. And that's it. If you liked the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.